Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to get 1-inch tokens in just a few simple steps using our updated platform. So let's roll. First, let's take a close look at the 1-inch network project. 1-inch network provides decentralized protocols for operations in the DeFi space. The main idea of the project is to enable DeFi users with the fastest and the most secure exchange service. 1-inch is a token of the 1-inch network. It serves as a governance and utility token. It's already used in both existing protocols and will be used in all the protocols created on the 1-inch network. It's also a multi-chain token. At the current moment, it's possible to employ it on the Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain. Sounds cool, right? 1-inch network is definitely worth your attention. Ready to get some 1-inch tokens? Start with selecting the coin that you want to exchange in the USENT section using the drop-down list. You can also use the search bar. Just start typing the name of the cryptocurrency or its ticker. Next, enter the amount you would like to exchange. Now select 1-inch in the UGET section. You can also use the search bar. After that, you will see the estimated amount of tokens you will receive. Please note that there is a minimum amount for every exchange. Do not send an amount less than the minimum one. And then click on the exchange button to move into the next step. Here, you need to enter the recipient's 1-inch address. For your convenience, you can simply add here your MetaMask address or use our Simple Hold Lite wallet. Please note that only 1-inch ERC20 tokens are available for withdrawal. Don't forget to double-check your address. Your 1-inch tokens will be sent to this address right after the exchange. Alright, now all the necessary details for the exchange are entered. Once again, make sure that all the data is correct. If everything is okay, click the Create Exchange button and you will be forwarded to the exchange page. At this stage, the status of your exchange is waiting. Here, you will see the address to send the indicated amount of Avalanche to continue the exchange. You can use the QR code to speed things up. After you send the deposit, you can see that the status of your exchange has changed to confirming. Then, after you have received the deposit to your address and the transaction has the required amount of confirmations, the status will be indicated as exchanging, which means that your exchange is in progress. While our system is sending you 1-inch, the status changes to sending, and you will only have to wait a little for the coins to reach your address. Now that's it! Your exchange is completed and you can see the indicated status as finished successfully. In most cases, the exchange process usually takes up to 30 minutes. See how simple it is? In case you have any questions left, feel free to ask us in the comments below or contact our friendly support team using email, which you can find under this video. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from SimpleSwap.